Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this beautiful slick low ponytail on a 4C natural hair. Stay tuned. Alright, so first off, I'm going to detangle my hair, and for that I'm going to put my hair down and part it. This is why it's difficult for me to shoot my videos because my sisters are always in the background. Alright, so once I've done parting my hair, I'm going to use some water to detangle it with my big comb. It's a very hard procedure because it's very hard to detangle my hair because first off, my hair is harsh, and from all the manipulation that I did from the last hairstyle, it just makes it a little bit difficult for me to detangle it to put everything down. While detangling my hair, when I'm done with each section, I'm going to apply a very generous amount of gel to each section because I do want my hair to be laid down. So the gel is going to help the hair stay down and not give me like a puffy look. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that with each section so that I can actually get the look that I desire. When I'm done detangling the front sections, I'm going to part my hair on the side. I do not like to part my hair in the middle because I have a huge forehead and I do consider it that. When I part my hair in the middle, it's usually not a very good look. So I go ahead and part it on the side, and I'm going to apply a very generous amount of gel to each of these sections so my hair can actually be slick. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm going for. So I'm not being shy with the gel. I'm going to put a very good amount because my the type of a hair I have, when I put the gel, it doesn't really slick it down. It just make it curly. So that's why I'm putting a very generous amount because I want my hair to stay down. When I'm done applying the gel, I'm going to brush it a lot so it can be laid down. While I was doing my hair, I got some new hair products. So my sister's just delivering it to the bathroom. All right, so when we do this a low ponytail like this, the top of your head tends to be puffy. So for me to check that the top of my head is not as puffy, as not that puffy, I usually use my nails and to see how deep my nails goes before it actually reach my scalp. If my hair takes a long time to touch my scalp, I feel like it's too puffy, I'm gonna have to do it over. But I checked with my nails and it's not that puffy, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the ponytail on, and I'm going to make sure that it's really secure. I'm going to tie it up very tight, as tight as possible. Once I'm done putting the ponytail, I'm going to detangle the ends. I'm going to use my comb and my brush to make sure that is as long as possible and that the shrinkage is not on my bad side today. I'm going to roll my hair over and make it in a bun. While I do so, I'm going to continue applying gel to make sure that everything stays laid down. And I'm going to use my hairpin to secure everything in place. Once that's done, I'm gonna apply some more gel on top of my head to make sure that the curls, the waves are not showing. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush and brush and brush to get rid of the waves. All right, so this is, I think, my second time that I'm doing my edges for you guys. So I like this type of edges because of the hairstyle, and the edges are the most important part of this hairstyle, because if the edges are not on point, the hairstyle would not look as cute. So I'm gonna take my time on the edges and you guys can follow. All right, so I am all done, and I actually liked the way that it came out. So this is exactly how I achieve my slick low ponytail on my 4C natural hair. All right, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, and if you liked it, make sure you click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and more videos are on the way soon. And if you stayed until this point of the video, please comment a yellow heart in the comment section, and if you have any suggestions, don't feel free to leave to comment them below. And you guys have a great day and see you soon. Bye.